Hi, my name is Laura Cenedella, and I'm a member of the Blackstone Valley Art Association. I'm going to share 5 of my photographs with you. Number 1, the eyes have it. I was looking on my computer for an image of people, and I came across this photograph of myself, and I thought, why not a selfie? This was me in a makeover for a friend's Halloween party. I wanted to find something that had harder edges, something that was more contemporary. I usually consider my audience when I'm choosing photography to enter in a show. I cropped this to show more of the eyes. It was difficult. My audience now is the internet. I do a lot of black and white photography, both in film and digital. Number 2, the Mystery Bistro. While staying at a hotel in Memphis, Tennessee, I was going outside at all hours of the night to walk the dog. It was kind of scary. On this one night, I was getting off the elevator. I turned the corner and jumped. It was dark. I couldn't see anything. And then there it was. It was a scene. It was like off of a book cover. I had to get the photograph. The lighting was perfect. It gave it a foggy effect, like a mystery bistro. Number 3, the story of COVID-19. The candle in the glass lantern representing hope. The painting in the back has a bicycle resting against a tree. The crystal vase filled with forsythia on top of the double Corona cigar box next to the American cheese. The holy, the spiritual, the genius, the rich, the American. Number 4, the neon lobster pot sign. This photograph is in a series that I've been working on for some time. I have many photographs of historical signs, hysterical too, from all over New England. Digital shooting and editing makes it so much easier these days. When I started with my 110 film camera that my parents were going to throw out, or later using my own 35 millimeter. Number 5, running on time. This was kind of a funny, happy find. On my way to a doctor's appointment in Boston, I was running late. I only had minutes to spare anyway. We arrived in the parking lot, and across the courtyard I could see an object. I needed to grab my camera and get a view. I knew I would be late for my doctor's appointment if I had done so, but he would understand because this would be the perfect photograph. It was. The clock was actual. Not all clocks keep actual time. Running on time, Boston University Medical Campus. If you like what you saw and you're interested in learning more about me, you can check me out on my website and social media. Thank you.